Now you turn left. The pedestrian lamp is yellow and you have green. Normally, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't stop by green, no? Go fluently, no?
Okay.
If the pedestrian lamp becomes yellow, then it's for you an information. You get also yellow, but
Okay.
no, for short time then, no?
Of
There's
that
normally
lamp,
time enough,
you
no?
were talking about this or this one?
What is a pedestrian lamp?
Yeah, that's
A pedestrian lamp, and that is your lamp.
okay.
I mean, the pedestrian, no? The lamp for the pedestrian, no? So, big curve and faster. Big curve, great curve, great curve. Then you come out from the right line, no? So now we turn right and stop on the stop line, please. No? You pass the stop line, and then you can fail also, yeah? That's and fail. Not move to left. Straight and go. Turn right. Not too close on the right. You're too close on the right a little bit. And now we turn right. Turn right, I said to you, no? In the last lesson, we go left. Today, we turn right. Yeah? I make today some new things.
Yeah.
So, look inside mirror, outside mirror, indicator, side look. And back. Look inside mirror, outside mirror, indicator, side look. Thank you.